Tired of sending generic messages that don't resonate with your audience? Today, we're diving into Aisensy Tags Euro, your secret weapon for laser-focused contact segmentation and personalized communication that boosts campaign performance. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Contacts section. Select the contact you want to tag. In the contact details, you'll find the tags field. Simply type in your desired tag. Think of tags as labels Euro, for example, VIP customer, interested in product, or attended webinar. You can add multiple tags to a single contact, creating a rich profile based on their attributes and behaviors. Just type each tag and press enter. Now, the magic happens. Go to your campaign settings. You'll find options to filter your contact list by tags. This allows you to send targeted messages only to contacts with specific tags. Imagine sending a special offer only to your VIP customers or a follow-up message to everyone who attended webinar. By using tags, you can personalize your communication, delivering relevant content that increases engagement and drives conversions. So ditch the generic blasts and start using Aisensy tags to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Start experimenting with different tags and see how they improve your campaign results. Don't forget to subscribe for more Aisensy tips and tricks.